Hi guys, today we are here in Safari because I always use it, and today we're going to play PKXD. Let me first go to YouTube. Yes, I'm on MacBook Pro right now. And go game chains, I guess. No, but when I use BlueStacks, it doesn't work. Don't go game chains. A MacBook Pro if you are. Yes. Sim. Sim. Yes. Okay, so place, but okay, just I already have that on Google Play.
Ó filho, vai já desligar, não vai?
16.
Mas já estava desligado.
So let's see here.
Bateria é desligada. É desligado. Okay.
Yeah, it
Anyway.
only has for Windows.
Right,
Let me close this.
que esse nome anyway
How do you say for PC? So guys, I'm here. Here's my channel. Go and subscribe. And also subscribe to Redway. The Slayer Remainings. LCLC, Gracer, Yadgar, S. Sunday, CKQP, Alpha GG, Toto's Gameplay, Oversimplified, Sweet Dom, and also made Orphan Crash Course Kids. These are a lot of vids, but we are going to going to do reactions, all updates. Let's go. Okay, guys. Okay, let's see this one.
Este é um número simples. Eu quero ajudar-te a fazer 1 em 5. Ou seja, que as faturas em mês.
That was fast. That was a fast pause. Oh my god. Yeah, where is that secret box? Don't worry, I show you. What the fuck talking about? You live like my house? You too. What the fuck? Talking. This update is incredible. What? Is there 2 armors there that I don't know what the hell they're doing over there? What's that? New armors, yeah. Damn update.
Tell me that. Você tá ligado?
Foi normal.
Sim, Zé. Foi Guilherme, não foi Guilherme. Tá tudo bem. Tá. Guilherme aqui. Tá sempre encantado.
It's over there! The secret box!
O que é que estás a ligar para as pessoas?
There's the secret box. Let's see how... 200? What the fuck? 2 gems. Boring. Bruh.
I want to cut you guys.
Okay, so we ended the first video. Funny trick? What the funny trick?
Wait.
Oh. Well, you can enter by the top? What the hell?
Wait, já tô no nível 200.
Bye.
Pai, já tô no nível 200.
Yeah, it's kind of
Sou o maior mundo.
It's kind of funny though. Okay. So, on to the next video.
Oh, fun.
Okay, so now let's see if I find Funkin' video.
Oh, Dad. Oh, Dad.
Okay, so here we go. Skip ads. Oh,
Sai Like,
yeah, I don't know what the hell was just happened.
oh, wow. Oh no! Whoa. Yes.
Yeah.
First save one.
Okay.
Nível 21.
The sun shines brightly
Oh,
over the great
no.
town of Beach City. The war is over. The diamonds are on their way. And all is well in this fun beach side.
Go.
Stephen has earned
Because
himself a
there's-
relaxing vacation after the countless traumatic events that he suffered through since childhood. And better to watch over the town than
My boy Steven asked me to watch this town while he was gone. I had no idea it was gonna be
Reading.
you said it, bud. Peace has been restored to the universe, and there won't be any more villainous treachery ever again.
Yeah.
Oh, well, of course, something like this had to happen with my big debut. You know what? No, it's fine. I quit.
Oh, what gives? You almost knocked the tits off my girl here. Come on, girl, you know this ain't real.
Where's the fucking...
Idea? How about that?
Ooh. What? Yes! Beating! My goodness. What you're freaking used to say,
I don't want to see this.
What?
Okay, so guys, bye.